Hi, and welcome to this review of Simple Wi-Fi Profits. What is Simple Wi-Fi Profits? It's a simple, easy to understand formula that a college dropout and a Korean immigrant used to transform their lives and earn $960,824.41 within 31 days. They have already helped their students begin earning up to $100,000 from their home and with just a laptop and an internet connection, and one of their students are earning $40,000 a day. How crazy is that? They also teach how you can set this up in less than 30 minutes work a day, even if you have limited experience. So who is this for? If you are a student or a teacher, do you work a 9 to 5? It's alright. All you need is spare time, and if you're watching this, I assume you have some. So, you may ask, how can I get access to this today? This is an amazing opportunity, you think. So, I'll provide you with the best, and I'm not kidding now, the best offer you can find out there. If you click the link in the description, as I'll show you right now, you'll get to this page. Here you can reserve your spot to the free training. We will show you everything you need to know to get this up and running. All you need to do is click this button here, the green one, and it checks if it's available, because if you don't take this chance, someone else will, and this class will get full. You just select your time zone, first name and email address, click register now, and you'll get it. I hope you grab this chance, because this is once in a lifetime opportunity. Thank you for watching this video, and click the link in the description if you'd like to know more.